We cooking people in rifles. Let's try to cook people in rifles. 3, 2. Oh. I know you're there, bro. Stop that, bro. I need to get the fist out. Where are you? Is he just standing there? I think he's gonna sneak up. Or is he just trying to stay there? Oh, he's up there. What are you doing up there, bro? He's not there. I was gonna get. So I'm just gonna shoot. Oh, he's there. Oh, okay. I don't know, yeah, these are good weapons. Well, I think I'm gonna switch my weapons after this because I've been using the same crap the entire time. Try. Yeah, I'm still doing pretty good with these. But you're going up there, I know you're going up there. Damage was low. I could use the grenade. Let's try maybe. Stay hungry. Try to do it next time. What? Oh shit. Yeah, like they have way more OP stuff than I am. Oh my, what are you doing there? What are you doing there with a blower? Okay. Just let's go, that's so good. Could you do this block there at me or something? Okay. This is actually weird. I think I need to walk in. They're just trying to play with him. Yes! I overshot him. Reason. I can't to do some. How do you get new weapons? Do you have to like complete those tasks? What's this passing? I just don't really do anything. Targets. Wait, targets. Wait, targets. Okay, I'll do that. Wait, step like that. With this guy's happiness, destroy him in this game. This Norbit's guy. Is there a way for me to block him? Maybe not. My new assault rifle can do this. Maybe this beginner. He's actually using stuff really good with. Okay. Is he gonna make me get 4 points that he's gonna just destroy me? That's just gonna be one of the worst feelings ever. Oh my. Maybe not. This is actually trying to go hard. What? Where was he? Okay, I was close to being him that one. Maybe I'm just goated at this game. And he's playing on Chromebook. Just a cheat to win. No, I heard. Okay, now I know not to go close to him. I already know where she's gonna come from. You're just gonna come from down here. Might be going like someone behind me. Whoop. Wait, no. What? Can you ban using knife or in the chat but after like being oh my yes it's all for you, buddy. Over to the very end. Yes! Alright. The punch. Like, what is... No. Where is he? Yes! So did that. could have it. Oh my, no. This is not how I wanted to start.
Yes! Yes! Let's go! Not level 99, let's go. Oh my, I thought I was gonna lose that. GG's. That was a really good game.
Okay, goodbye guys. And guys, do not get golden.